the lovely kids just inside the nest continue. This is another day, another time. The east is on the left side of this video, and west is on the right side of this video. If you see the light is coming from the right side, usually is in sunset time. Right now, I think it is in sunset time. Yeah, the kids is so lovely, and if you are in such a situation, you probably will stay days watching them. This is why I have lots of those videos of those kids in the nest. Yeah, as time approaching, and more outlets will become active, because usually 6, 5 to 7 of them, they have different developed stages. So the oldest outlets may be, well, size is much bigger than the younger ones. I was hoping to capture 3 of them jammed in this tree hole.